So welcome to the Griddle, guys. Today we're making the world's hottest burger. I didn't know that until I showed up at Chris's house. Chris is here. But every ingredient that's going on this thing.
No, it's sweet and spicy.
It's not sweet. I'm looking at the ingredients, guys. So if you want to learn how to make a hamburger that will melt your tongue, stick around.
Just because it has ghost pepper and doesn't make it, you can't eat it.
All right.
Sweet and spicy.
Stick around for the taste test anyway. See whose mouth melts.
All right, guys, list of ingredients. The star of the show. Well, first of all, Nate mentioned how spicy this is. Well, Nate's a because it ain't that spicy. I'll tell you the spices that are going into it. Ghost pepper. I've already tried it. It's got a kick, but it's delicious.
Oh, is that ghost pepper? I heard that was mild.
It's not mild.
I heard ghost pepper.
I didn't say mild.
I heard they were like a garden green pepper.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all. So that's one spicy part of it. We got some sweet heat pickles.
Okay.
These are very good. I don't know what they put in it to make it, but they're delicious. And some buffalo aioli. Pretty good stuff. I tried that too. Not spicy at all. So that's it for the spice. You'll be all right. You'll survive.
It smells good.
The star is the Wagyu beef. Okay, we got 2 pounds here. I'm probably gonna make 4 burgers, 3 to 4 burgers. We'll see how far we get them. We're gonna cook them on the griddle. We got some maple bacon for the sweet maple. Not usually a huge fan of this, but it was good on the burger.
Yeah, I
don't like maple by itself.
Yeah.
Maybe with this mixture.
I'm with you. I usually go with the traditional rather than the maple.
Some lettuce, onions. We're gonna caramelize the white onion. We're also gonna put red onions on there, but we're not gonna cook these. We're gonna leave these as is, cut them up in big slices. And a tomato. And to cool things down with Nate's heat, we got some sweet
coleslaw. Cold slaw.
And that's it. Piece of cake. Oh, some brioche buns, which we are gonna toast these. No butter or anything. We're just gonna throw them on, get them some toast.
That makes it easier. It's a pain, especially if you're cooking like 10, 15 burgers. Better. I haven't done it. I'll be curious to see.
Well, this is gonna be a good cook for you. You're gonna like this. If you can stand the heat.
I'm all in.
Wuss. All right, so like every video, I put Nate and Jeff to work. Jeff, if he was here, I'd put him to work. But got Nate cutting up the tomatoes and the onions and the lettuce.
Slicing the red onion for raw, cubing the white onion for caramelization.
Yes. And look at this. Let's, I kind of thought I would see more marbling, Nate, to be honest with you. That's the whole thing with Wagyu.
Yep. That does look, you don't see it in there. Maybe it's just...
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, we'll have to see. The reason why I really want to make this burger is I have a friend in my hometown that I grew up in that owns a restaurant that I went to in the springtime. And one of my buddies that was with me, he ordered the sweet heat. It's called sweet heat, exactly. Sweet heat, which was a sweet and spicy Wagyu burger. Because he took a bite of it and he goes, Chris, you gotta try this. I took a bite of it and I was like, wow. It just blew me away how excellent it was. So I said, I'm gonna have to try to make that. The place is called Jamie's, again in my hometown. Super, super nice guy. Known him for, God, it has to be 20 years now anyway. Hard worker, an excellent business, excellent restaurant. So Jamie, in honor of you, my man, I'm gonna try to do this.
Yeah, I've been there. It's a real nice place, real nice food. Very tasty.
Yeah. You know, these are what? Probably ½ pound each, right? Because it's a pound. It's a good sized burger. Looks good.
It's a big burger.
We'll see how much it shrinks. I don't know. I've never really ever cooked Wagyu before. You know, they say it's the marbling that makes it, right? You know, what he does, I think he buys them pre-made. I'm not positive on that. There was a difference between regular beef and that beef that day. I'm expecting this will be different too. But we'll see. What do you think, Nate? Should have more.
I'm dying to try it.
More flavor, right? More fat.
Dying to try it. I'd love to try A5 Wagyu as a steak, but...
Yeah, it's not the Japanese Wagyu. I don't think I got that. I bought this at Shaw's Market, so I'm pretty sure it's not from Japan.
I also don't want to spend $400 on 2 pounds of beef, so...
Well, that's it. I mean, this wasn't that bad. I mean, it was $9 a pound. I mean, it's expensive for Hamburg, but it's not your regular Hamburg, right?
It's doable. It's doable, so...
Versus your Japanese Wagyu is probably...
I've never even seen Japanese Wagyu ground. I mean, I've never even seen it. I did see it in one of the butcher shops nearby. Had it. They had it in the freezer, so it was frozen, and it was strip steaks, and they were like $46 a strip steak. Wow. Frozen. I'm like, I'll take a pass on that.
All right, so we're gonna finish up here and then we're gonna get out to the grill. Get things going.
So, caramelizing the onions takes a good chunk of time. Drop those first. And Chris's favorite thing in the whole world, cutting the bacon in half.
Hey, if you're not doing it, you're doing something wrong.
Yeah, you can smell that, as soon as you open this, you can smell that maple.
The maple.
Strong stuff.
I did, you know, I'm not kidding. Usually I'm not a big fan of
I usually
maple.
go with the regular.
Like when we go camping every year,
All regular.
everybody brings a couple pounds of bacon.
Yeah,
And then you go to open them and you're like, oh, jeez, it's maple.
Yeah.
You're like, ah,
smell it through the whole campsite.
Yeah.
Even on low, well, you know, it is 95 degrees out, but.
I'll take the over.
Yeah, very hot today. Good that we're having a nice spicy burger on a super hot day.
It's September though.
Yeah, got a heat wave in New England. Definitely one of the big advantages to a griddle. Just how much food you can put on it all at once.
Right.
And not destroy your kitchen.
Absolutely. Bacon came out perfect. Nate did a nice job.
Not burning it.
All right, time to get the burgers down.
Nice big burgers, Chris.
Yep. Low heat too, I'll tell you. And I'm gonna cover them because these are pretty thick and I don't wanna constantly keep on flipping, you know?
Yep.
So we're gonna let this sit. I'm gonna give it like 2-3 minutes, probably flip them. Might have to do it a couple times. Gonna get these rolls down. And this back out. I honestly, you know, I could probe these if you want, but you know me, I like a nice medium rare.
You like it rare.
Don't worry
Chris
about
likes his burgers borderline trip to the emergency room.
I'm gonna start cheesing them. No problem with that, right?
What? Whatever you want.
Well, if you want
Wagyu ever want.
if you want me to keep yours on a little longer, we can do it.
I don't care. I mean, if my stomach bothers me, I'll just never forgive you and hold it against you the rest of your natural life.
Good way to start the weekend.
With empty bowels?
Then you can eat whatever you want.
Wow, I feel skinny. I'm dehydrated.
Come to my house, you lose weight. You think you should go two slices of ghost pepper cheese?
Whatever, I mean, if you have it, sure. The last time I heard somebody said, wait, hey, complain that's too much cheese was never, so.
Might as well use it. Can take one home to Karen.
Yeah, right.
I got something in my eye.
It's not spicy at all.
I literally got something in my eye, it's burning. I think a flake flew right into my eye.
Of ghost pepper
From the
cheese?
cheese.
If it did, I'm definitely keeping the camera on your face the entire time.
Oh, jeez, it's getting hot.
So Chris is keeping me in suspense. Duncan's over here. You guys can't see him on camera, but he's panting like there's no tomorrow.
It's hot out.
Begging for food. Are we gonna build this thing or what?
Time to build.
All right.
Let's see how it comes out. All right, the buffalo aioli, top and bottom, right on the bun. Now, I don't know how they make it at the Jamie's, but I'm gonna do the best I can here.
This is pretty potent tasting. It's definitely strong, but on mine,
We're missing something.
what are we missing?
Coleslaw.
Cold slaw.
Cold slaw. It's in the fridge. I'll grab
Chris,
it.
why do you suppose they call it cold slaw?
You gotta keep it cold. It's
That must be
refreshing.
why.
I think I'm gonna put it right on the bottom. I don't know if they do that or not, but I think I'm gonna put it on the bottom.
You need some, yeah?
Yeah. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking the top.
Yeah. Do yours on the top. I did mine on the bottom.
All right.
We'll see the difference. Next, I'm gonna go with the tomato, yeah. And then I'm gonna do my burger.
What about the caramelized onion and bacon, all on top?
I think so.
You're gonna be able to fit this in your mouth? I mean, I do know you have a big mouth.
I don't know. I don't know.
It is a significant meal.
Big onion, Nate. Big onion. Look at that.
All right, what are we up to here? You take that. You got lettuce coming too. Here. Anjones. Wow. Bacon. Can't forget
We've
bacon.
got a building.
How are you gonna fit your bacon on there, Chris?
Oh, I don't have my pickles yet. It's too much going on.
You need to unhinge your jaw. This would be like a Guy Fieri bite. You know?
and then pickles. All right, so maybe my order wasn't the best, but doesn't matter. It's all going to the same place,
Your
right?
order wasn't the best, or your quantities weren't the best?
All the above. That looks delicious, though.
You know what? Forget about betting on tonight's football game. I think we should just bet on whether or not you're going to get that into your pie hole. What do you think?
I don't know yet. The jury's out right now. A toothpick in there to try to hold it together, and
Because this is like when you make a burrito or you make a cheesesteak. Your eyes are always bigger than your bread.
just for now.
Beautiful. It's a work of art, Picasso.
Look at that. That looks pretty good.
It looks beautiful. I can't say I'm much better. Mine's pretty dang tall, too. If I were to cap it. I gotta do a quick cap. Ready?
Don't squish it yet. Look at that. Don't squish it yet.
All right, let me
All right.
move that one over.
All right. Guys, here we are right now. The looks of them are beautiful.
Hey, let me ask you. At Jamie's restaurant, was it as big as this?
It was big. I don't know if
Yeah.
it was quite that big, but I'm sure the guy who ordered it smushed it down before, which we will do. We're gonna get some pictures first, and we'll smush these down so that we can actually get them in our mouth.
I forgot cold slaw.
No, that's gonna screw up the sweet heat, Nate.
This is gonna screw up the balance is what this is gonna screw up.
There's your
This is
sweet.
gonna-
You need that sweet.
This is gonna have my burger toppling over like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Now I gotta do my quick flip again and not screw this up.
With coleslaw on it.
Ready? Hold on, here we go.
This ain't happening. Watch out the camera.
All right.
Yours might be taller than
I was
mine.
gonna say, now mine's probably as tall as yours.
Yours is taller, I think.
I think Chris is excited about his burger. He's cutting his, I'm not cutting mine.
3, 2, 1. All right, time to check these out. See what
The
we got.
reveal? The reveal of the
We're gonna eat them. I'm
doneness?
gonna cut mine. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna attempt to.
I'm gonna squish mine.
Take that out. Maybe I shouldn't have taken that. Oh boy.
Oh, that's a messy burger.
Oh my God, look at that.
It's definitely rare.
Definitely rare, which I'm okay with. I gotta dig in, Nate, if I can get it in my
I
mouth.
told you, Guy Fieri bite. I'm gonna squish mine. This is like a 1 pound burger. Not messy at all.
That's delicious. I gotta get another bite though. And I am having a little party in my mouth with fire.
I think I need a fork and knife. This thing is ferocious.
It's messy for sure.
They need to take a shower.
Yeah, definitely getting the heat, and I'm getting the coleslaw at the end
Yeah,
to put the flames out.
that's good.
Good. I'll tell you, I think there's a little too much going on. I'm not getting the real flavor of the Wagyu. I'm getting the bacon though.
I'm with you. I get bacon, I get heat, I get the aioli. Not getting the Wagyu yet, but I'm not quite sure. It's so big, I have maybe not even got into it yet.
I'm getting the caramelized onions. Fork and knife guy.
I don't want to have to wash my hands again.
Oh, the pickle. This is a great. This is delicious. Wow. Granted, it's a little too big.
I'm impressed you're able to eat it like that. So nice flavor between the heat and the sweet. Because I get the bacon, I get the aioli, I get a little bit of the beef, and I get the heat. Nice contrast.
Too much heat.
Not at
You
all.
big wimp.
Not at all.
There's 2 pieces of ghost pepper cheese on there.
Yeah, no.
We could have covered it on the second we flipped it. Cook a little bit more in the middle. It is a little rare. I don't mind it. A lot of people might.
All right, well,
The reason why it's a popular burger at Jamie's restaurant, it's excellent.
yeah, it is. It's really good. Just a ton of different flavors coming through. You know, every bite's a little different.
Right, I agree. Tons of flavor. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you're here this long, hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe.
If you want to have people over your house and embarrass them because they have a burger that's too big to eat, make this.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah.
We will see you in the next video.
See you on the next one.
Griddle guys, out!